We were excited. We had new software that we had worked so hard at developing, and we needed to show it at a computer show. But the computer show was this weekend. How in the world? So, to do that, we'd have to set up a T1 line. A T1 line requires 3 weeks. And it was this weekend. How in the world? Oh my gosh. This was in the days before the internet. It was a thought for some. Maybe some had actually been testing it. But we didn't know. We didn't have access to it. And it was definitely before the days of the cloud. So today we have it so easy. We can just hook up. But back then, we couldn't. The way we had to do it was we had our mainframe on one end, and we had a dumb terminal on the other end. And that dumb terminal was not a computer like a PC today. That dumb terminal couldn't do anything except send and reflect data. Text. There was no graphics. Well, the way it's done, let me explain this. So on the screen here, you can see you've got a modem with a digital signal between the mainframe and the modem. Then from the modem, it goes over the data line, which is analog, and it's sound. So it would actually go over the phone line this way, and another modem, and it would convert it back to digital. This digital then would display it on the dumb terminal. And as you typed on the dumb terminal, it would send it back this way, and it would go to analog, and then that would go back to digital, and the mainframe would be able to process that. Now, how are we going to show this at the show? Well, coworker came up with an awesome idea. I didn't understand it at first, but he said, let's try using an audio tape recorder. I thought, you're kidding me. How in the world? And then he showed me that what we do is we just tap in to the audio line. Because the audio line is just sound. And it's a voltage signal. And records it onto the tape recorder. I thought, that's awesome, but how are we going to get that to work? Well, he showed it to me. And we sat down at a desk and we put the tape recorder with one of the modems underneath, and that tape recorder down here played back into the modem, which played back into the terminal. And it worked. So we went to the show. We put a tablecloth down over the table, and we put the modem and the tape recorder underneath that. And everybody at the show was amazed. They liked our software, but the thing that they were really amazed is, how in the world did you get your T1 set up so quickly? We just smiled